The Sparta Policy Administration System is a vendor-developed and supported .NET web-based application. Among the compelling reasons for our confidence in the system as a superior solution for program business are its ease of use, flexibility, speed, and interoperability with other systems and applications.
Hello, and thank you for joining me today for our policy system demonstration. My name is Enrico Ferrante. The software itself is built on Microsoft's .NET technology, which is a web-based system. It's easy to use, it's user-friendly, and it just requires point and click to move around the application. One thing I'd like to note is that you can log in from home, from the office, anywhere you have a PC or a laptop. We have 10 lines of business that are available. You can see we have auto, we have garage, have truckers, and these are monoline auto policies, so we have an actual truckers policy. We also have BOP, crime, GL, inland marine, property, umbrella, workers' comp, and we have package. We're live in all states, including DC, and you can just pick your state here. And we could bounce around if we were an experienced user, or if you're a new user, the system is going to flow from policy level coverages down to the state, down to the locations, naturally for the user.
All system training is done over the Internet via WebEx, a no-cost, minimally intrusive user training process that allows us to segment the training to coincide with the policy lifecycle. In this way, our business partners are able to learn the basics of the policy administration system quickly and efficiently, focusing on depth of knowledge for the relevant processes over time. Sparta's business operations team is always available for on-site training, additional or refresh training, and ongoing system support.
If a user doesn't know what to select in one of these required fields or non-required fields, there's an intuitive help box that pops up as long as you point your mouse over that field, and you can see that here. If you miss a required field, the system will stop you. You have 3 lines of defense, so it's very hard to issue a policy incorrectly or rate it incorrectly. One of our features that we have in the system is that we have a city help file. You just click on the city help, it brings up Hartford and all the different zip codes. Before you rate, you have some options here. If this was an auto policy, you can also produce with the rating worksheet that's going to get generated a vehicle schedule, stat coding information, location premium, location schedule, and the discretionary mod detail, which in this case would be the schedule mod that we used. I'm going to hit start rating. This is a real-time process, and it means real-time for quotes that are generated, issuing of the policies, the creation of the PDFs for the forms, any change endorsements, cancellations, reinstatements. Full policy lifecycle is real-time processing. At this point, we're going to convert this to issue. Now we're on to billing. Many different payment plans. If they're not here, if we need to customize it, it's not a problem, it's easy to do. We're just going to pick one payment plan. Now we're going to move on to forms. The system tries to make it pretty easy for the user to distinguish between the different forms. These are the common forms. We have general liability forms, or you can look at all the forms together. The system's fully compliant, meaning that we're filed to be ISO auto adopt in almost every state, and the ones we're not, we're still compliant. We're just company specific. We're NCCI compliant, and we're independent bureau compliant. We have an export-import tool, and when we do the export, every transaction that's done in the system has inherent XML language built in, which allows us to take the data and interface with other software systems or databases. I'd like to thank you for your time today. I hope after today you can get a taste for ease of doing business with Sparta through our policy system. If you have any questions, please contact our marketing department or myself, Enrico Ferrante.